everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the Kitsune method, one of the most interesting ways to make a huge profit in the new Grow a Garden 2 Fall Harvest update. So the Fall Harvest update introduces several new pets, but the Kitsune is definitely one of the most valuable. It has the secret rarity, this one, the Kitsune, this one. So getting one isn't easy. And unlike the regular Fall Harvest pets, you can't find the Kitsune wandering around the map. Instead, you can only get it from the exclusive Fall egg or exclusive Fall chest like this. That these two items only available in the limited shops and you can buy it using Robux. So yeah, it's not free item. And then now here's why the Kitsune method can potentially make you reach really faster. At night, the Kitsune will sneak out and steal fruit from other players, but it doesn't just bring it the fruit back, it can also turn the stolen fruit into the Chakra mutations. And here's the crazy part, when the Chakra mutation is successfully applied, the fruits can be sold for 60 times its normal value. So basically, the Kitsune can take fruit that you didn't even have to grow yourself and potentially apply a huge value mutations and turn into a very profitable fruit. And the more often the Kitsune activates its ability, the more chance you have to get valuable chakra mutate fruits. So just let the Kitsune work while you focus on your garden. Unfortunately, in here I can demonstrate the gacha or this method in action because I don't have enough robux to buy this exclusive fall chest or exclusive harvest egg and try my luck to get this kitsune. And okay, but if you are looking for a pet that can potentially give you huge profits and help you get rich faster, the kitsune method is I think is definitely worth trying. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.